Hello students, today we are going to discuss the difference between two fundamental terms of molecular biology, genetics and genomics. Okay, they are often interchangeably used among students, but that's wrong. And in examination, teacher may ask you the difference between these two terms, and if you fail to answer, it's considered a very important fundamental mistake. So today I'll be giving you an overview in a very short video what's the real difference between these two terms. So let us look at the definition. Genetics is actually the study of heredity of trait of an organism and their variation within the population. We always use this term genetics, right? Genetic. So yes, the concept of genetic is actually very clear, and this definition students actually, nobody makes a mistake over here, right? But when it comes to genomics, there lies a gap in concept. Okay, the lacuna lies over there. So what's the definition of genomics? You can see genomics is the study of genome or the complete set of genetic material of an organism, right? So over here it's the heredity, trait, etc. All these are concerned with genetic, but if we study the entire genome of an organism or the complete set of genetic material, it is genomics. Now these two terms have come into existence since, in various different period of history of biochemistry, right? So this term genetics is very old, right? More than 100 years old, 200 actually. It was introduced in 19th century by the father of modern genetics, that is Gregor Mendel, right? We have read Mendelian trait, etc. So he was the pioneer of coining this term genetics. Rather, on the other hand, genomics, this term is quite new. In fact, I am older than genomics, to be honest, because I was born in 1985 and this term was coined by Tom Roderick in 1986. So genetics, an old term, but genomics is actually a new concept. What genetics actually focuses on is actually the behavior of genes, how the genes react. Okay, what's the behavior, what is the characteristic of genes? Whereas we already discussed genomics basically focuses on the entire genome of an organism. I may be repeating myself over here and I may repeat myself over and over again in the upcoming differences as well, but this is just to reinforce the fact that you should understand the concept clearly. This definition or this difference may come as actually difference question if you are attempting a DNB exam, DNB theory exam, because over there still differences are a favorite topic for paper setters. But when asked in Viva, you may not be asked to say, okay, say 5 differences. No, you will just be conceptually asked about these two topics. So your viewpoint should be absolutely clear. So when it comes to genetics, what are the tools that we can use to study genetic? Mainly biochemistry and biology. Generally, biochemistry and biology are the two fundamental areas regarding which includes the study of genetics. Well, if you're a medical student, you know genetics is not, confined to biochemistry only, right? It's even if you're studying medicine, pediatrics, obstetrics and gynecology, genetics is everywhere, right? But yes, biology is the broader term which comprises of genetics. But genomics, generally data science comes into play, right? We need computer, because here we are tabulating, we are categorizing, we are clustering, or we are formulating the entire genomic map, for which we need information technology, which in conjunction to molecular biology is known as bioinformatics. So bioinformatics is an integral part of genomics. So bioinformatics is an integral tool without which genomics won't exist. So can be studied with the use of bioinformatics as well as molecular biology. Now, the core definition, the basic fundamental difference, if you are asked, okay, tell me only one thing, then genetics means, truly speaking, it is involved in study of a single gene. For example, CFTR gene is producing, the defect in CFTR gene is producing cystic fibrosis. I am just giving an example, right? So that is an example of a genetic statement or genetic study. I am studying a single gene, right? Whereas genomics, when we are concerned with genomics, we are studying the entire genome, right? So definitely the study of interaction between gene is much more there in genomics, because we are studying the entire genetic map. So in one human being, how one gene is reacting with each other, that is much more prevalent in genomics. Of course, that also is there in genetics if we are considering the individual genes, right? So basically genomics comprises of genetics in a single organism, and the entire genetic makeup or genetic profile consists of genomics. Okay. And lastly, if we look at the subfields, the fields which have which are super specialties from these fields, can include, see, epigenetics and population genetics are two subfields. So when you are considering heredity, trait, etc., nowadays genetics is not the end of the line. There are multiple other factors. So epigenetics and population genetics are two super specialty branches where after genetic studies expertise are needed in these two fields. Whereas in case of genomic studies, there are multiple terms which you can see: heterosis, epigenesis, pleiotropy. These are all dealing with interaction between various locus of the entire genomic map of an organism. Well, each of these is a definition on its own, and I don't want to stretch this video by going all over again in all these definitions, but all of them are a part of the genomic map of an organism. So that's it for today. Feel free to get back to me in any comment section. Please feel free to write your own note, prepare your own note. If you're having a difficulty in understanding the concept, please go through all these slides and prepare your own note. That will help you greatly in theory exam as well as in Viva exam. And I have got a Facebook group as well as WhatsApp group. So if you are interested, you can mail me at the video description. I will be happy to add you to those where we can continue our academic discussion on regular basis. Anyways guys, I'll see you with another video. Thanks you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye and take care.